Use the arrows to move the icons into the indicated object is really easy to beat. So as you can see, we have a 1 on the screen right here. So since we have a 1 on the screen, you just want to look for the row that says row 1 on it. And you actually want to see the object that's a target in row 1. And you want to click on the next option until you see the target in row 1. Currently there's not a target, so you keep clicking the next arrow, and when you see it, you click on submit. And you need to do this about 7 times. And now there's row 3, so we want to look at row 3 right here, which appears to be a data thing, so we need to go to the next arrow and look for that right there. Click on done, submit when you actually see that's right. And row 1 again, we want to see these balloons icons, so you keep clicking on the next arrow once again until you see the heart balloons. Click on the next arrow, click on done, and as you can see, row 5 pops up, and it will actually make this next arrow, this next icon, it's like an hourglass, and you click on submit when it is right. And when it's actually in row 5, you click on done, and you keep doing this until you complete the entire test. Now this is row 3, so you want to do that on row 3, keep clicking on next until you see the objects line up in the rows itself. Row 1, again, you just want to keep on clicking on the next, keep on lining them up, and as you can see it lines up there. So we click on submit, and then we've got 4 more, row 5 this time. So at the very top, you want to go to the next row con and actually line this object up with whatever it is, click on submit, and if you get it wrong, it will give you a second chance though. But you just want to keep lining them up like so, and when you actually keep lining them up and clicking on submit, it's really easy to pass. You just have to do it 10 times. It may give you multiple shots. It's like the impossible to beat possible robot test. And yeah, when you actually do it, click on submit and click on it one more time. And we've got one last question just to beat. And row 2 this time, you want to line up the map this time, click on submit, and when you actually beat the test just by clicking on submit one final time,